In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order pizza on the Sam's Club app. To get started, download and open the Sam's Club app on your mobile device. Once you're in, sign in to your Sam's Club account and make sure your membership is active. That part is important because the app features tied to in-club shopping and cafe ordering usually depend on an active membership. Before you go any further, make sure you're actually at a participating Sam's Club location. In many cases, cafe ordering through the app is only available when you're physically at the club. So if you don't see the option right away, your location may be the reason. After that, look at the bottom of the app and tap the Scan and Go button. This is the feature that lets you access in-club tools, including cafe ordering. Once Scan and Go opens, find the cafe menu and select Cafe to begin a new food order. Now you're ready to choose your pizza. Depending on your location, you may see options like cheese, pepperoni, or other varieties available at that specific club. Availability can vary, so don't worry if your screen looks slightly different from someone else's. After selecting your pizza, choose the quantity you want. If you'd like, you can also add other cafe items to the same order at this stage. This is a good moment to double check everything before moving on, especially if you're ordering for more than one person. Next, tap View Order to review your selections. Take a quick look over the items, quantities, and total so there are no surprises at checkout. If everything looks right, proceed to checkout and confirm your payment method. Make sure the payment option shown in the app is the one you want to use before you continue. When you're ready, slide to Pay to place your pizza order. Once the order goes through, wait for the confirmation screen to appear. You should receive an order confirmation along with an order number. Keep that number handy, since you'll need it when picking up your food. Finally, head over to the cafe pickup area and show your order number or confirmation to receive your freshly prepared pizza. Keep in mind that pickup procedures can vary a little from one Sam's Club location to another, so just follow any posted instructions or directions from the cafe staff. And that's it. That's how to order pizza on the Sam's Club app quickly and smoothly while you're in the club.